Written by Focus, a big, hairy spider. Goliath bird-eating spiders are very big spiders. They are about the size of a dinner plate. They weigh more than any other spider in the world. Like many spiders, Goliath spiders have 8 legs and 8 eyes. Even with that many eyes, they can't see very well. Their bodies are covered with many tiny hairs. 2 body parts. Spiders have 2 body parts. The mouth, fangs, and legs are in the front part. The back part is for making silk. A spider with its legs can be about 1 foot, 30 centimeters across. That's as long as a ruler. What